I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple peanut butter and jelly, okay? And if you want, you can add a little cheese stick, because, you know, it's yummy. Alright. So first, you gotta go, you gotta find your bread. You gotta search your house. When we find that bread, see, my bread's right out here. You gotta take it, you gotta find 2 pieces that look exactly like that. You gotta make sure it's not bad. And then, all you gotta do, you gotta put it down. You gotta put the second one down. And you gotta open wherever the jelly and peanut butter is, okay? So first, you're gonna open your cabinet, okay? Let's see, where can the peanut butter be? Oh, right here. So you gotta open the peanut butter. You gotta leave it right here. Oh, my bad. You gotta get your jelly. I'll be right back. Alright, so then, once your jelly's ready, you gotta take your peanut butter, and then you gotta,
so that's what I'm saying.
my bad. You gotta take your peanut butter. You gotta see this. You gotta go. Okay. It's like riding a roller coaster. Just gotta spread it out so much. Yeah. You can even put it on the cheese stick if you want. Yo, you guys gotta learn, bro. Your mom can't be making peanut butter and jellies for you. You gotta be like me, bro. Yo, if it doesn't go viral, I'll eat a pickle. Wait, what am I saying, bro? Whoa. Alright, you gotta get some jelly. Alright, this is the funnest part yet. Oh! My bad. That was a little weird. See, sometimes the jelly doesn't come out. That's all part of the process, trust. Okay, let me move this peanut butter. So, you see bread. Alright, look. Sometimes it doesn't come out. So, sometimes you gotta smack it right in the ass. It comes out. Trust. Watch. It's magic. What'd I say? See, that's how you get the jelly out. It's not coming out. See? It's magic. Oh, it's too much jelly. Alright. Get your knife. Spread. Oh, my bad. Gotta spread. You gotta keep spreading. Just keep on spreading. And then, if you like a lot of peanut butter and jelly, you can even go to your second slice. And you can do that too. But thank you guys for watching. That's how you make a peanut butter and jelly. And all you gotta do is put it together just like this. Nice and there you go. There you have it.